Hi everybody. Today I read a book about a dog and I sang a song about a dog, and so I thought it would be fun. Okay, I'm getting it to you. I thought it would be fun. Quiet, it's almost your turn to do a craft and make a doggy puppet. This could be bingo, or you could give it its own name. But I'm going to show you how to make this cool puppet. Get a glue stick, some scissors, and different colored paper. You'll also need a paper lunch bag like this. Now cut a large oval for his tummy and a skinny shape for the doggy's head. Don't forget his cute little tongue. I used pink. Now you want to cut out some large U shapes for his ears and a tail-shaped piece for his tail. Now cut 2 little black circles for his eyes and a bigger one for his nose. But before you start gluing pieces on, lift up the flap on the bag. That's the mouth part. Fold the corners in and glue them down like this. This gives the doggy's snout its shape. While you have the flap up, go ahead and glue its tongue on there. Now glue the rest of the pieces in place and put on a puppet show with your new best friend. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have fun.